This video will go over the many different ways to unlock SIM card on iPhone, and you can choose whichever method you like to unlock a SIM card on your iPhone. Method 1. Unlock a SIM card on iPhone with PUC code. Call carrier customer support. Inquire about PIN issues and busy signals. Provide necessary details for PUC code. Unlock iPhone with PUC. Method 2. Unlock SIM card on iPhone via Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Select Phone from the list of options that appears as further options appear. Select SIM PIN from the drop-down list. Method 3. How to unlock iPhone SIM using Phone app. The Phone app is a piece of software that will allow you to unlock your iPhone without the need to use any codes. This will work for all iPhones and cell phones. Method 4. Unlock SIM card on iPhone via online services. Some iPhone owners prefer to unlock their SIM cards on their iPhones via online services. This is because it is very convenient and allows you to stay in the comfort of your own home, which is where you will be most effective. Method 5. How to unlock SIM on iPhone with iPhone SIM Unlock. This is one of the most secure methods of unlocking SIM on iPhone. One of the best proven software programs is iPhone SIM Unlock, which is available for Mac and PC. With this iPhone unlocking tool, you do not need to use any codes.